Well, I am Rajneesh Kumar. Here, I am looking for the reading writing, and this is an important class for the class 8, 9 and the 10th. Here, the topic is description. This is basically an important topic. Here, in the description, we have to understand two things. Number one, what the description is and what are the types of a description. The first, to understand the description, I have written here, to draw the best of the information about the living and the non-living things is called description. Suppose, I never went to the Mount Everest. I never went to Mount Everest. And the question is, write a short description on the Mount Everest. What I will have to do? I cannot write there that I don't have the money, I don't have a time to be in the Nepal to go the Mount Everest. So I didn't see. So you will have to play with your mind's eye. Here. You have to play with the mind's eye. Here you have to play with your mind's eye occasionally. Because as you know the color of the ice, you know the mountain is something like this. There will be a great environment. You will apply these all the things and then after you will write. But if I will say to write the objective description of the Shanti Niketan school, because you people and you all the students are very much familiar and acquainted with the going and the coming school on a regular basis, so you did not to give the maximum information. You have to only use your eyes, because you have already saw the room of the classroom, where does the teacher comes, what type of the bench, where is the provision for the playing, where is the principal, where is the teacher's room, where is the principal's chamber, where is the outdoor games, what are the outdoor games. So it is well known to you. So the description are of the two types. One is objective description and the second is impressionative description. Objective description means you have been there, you had been there. So you collected, and your brain and your minds have collected so many data, so it is easy to write the objective description. But suppose you never have been in the Agra and somebody put up a question before you, write 10 lines on the Taj Mahal, and you never have been in the Taj Mahal. What you will do? You will have to apply your minds up. In this manner you can write it. This description is also called mini essay. Here you can also apply A for an introduction. Here B for body, means to 5 W 1H and SW, and C for conclusion. As I have already discussed this formula, the formula A, B, C, you can take best use of the formula. Also in the essay, you can also take the best use of this formula in the description. It is also called by nature mini essay. A for an introduction. A for an introduction. So whatever the question is there, give the maximum and the simple information on your paper. Then after body, in the body you have to apply 5W1H. First W is for what, second is why, third is when, fourth is where, and the fifth is the why, and the 1H, H means how. S for strong means merit or advantage, and the W for the weakness, that is the demerit and disadvantage, and finally you can give your conclusion there. In this manner, I will close the description. Again I am summing up here. This is an important part that comes under the reading and the writing. The topic is the description. This is an important topic for the class 8, 9 and the 10th. What the description is the important thing, to draw the best of information about anything living and the non-living. That is called description. It is of the two type, and objective description means data you have to simply apply, because you have already very much familiar and acquainted with that very situation of the living and the non-living things. And in the impriocentric description, you have to play with the mind's eye. You never have in the Mount Everest, you never have in the Agra, but you have to write during your examination. Here you have to apply. Description is also called somewhere also called the VDS. You have to apply this by formula, that is the ABCA for an introduction. What the topic is, simply give the minimum in a one line information, the introduction. Then after go for the body, 5W, 1H. I taught you so many times. First W is the what, why, when, what, where, and the who, and finally 1H, that is the how, and the SW, where the S is for the strength, or W is for the called weakness, where the S is also called merit and the advantage, where W is also called for the weakness and disadvantage, and the demerit, and finally C is for the conclusion. In this manner and in this way I am closing this topic. In the next day we will again discuss. In this session I am closing my topic. Be in your home safely, and this is the maximum opportunity the situation has given to you. Apply. Thank you.